This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we have an Anykit 360-degree articulating borescope. This is the AN150 model. What it does is it works with your mobile device, and you have a little camera on the end of this borescope here. You have a light feature as well. You can turn them on, and then it has a bunch of different brightness levels as well. Okay, so I've got it turned on, and you see there's three brightness levels. You have a charging port here so that you can charge the battery that operates the camera and the light. And then you also have a USB plug-in for your mobile device. You also have a carrying case. You also have a little cover here for your camera. And you have all types of different charging cables and all those for, USB-C, the old USB, I believe it's USB-A, and then the iPhone. And so this phone actually here takes the old style USB, so we're gonna plug it in. You download an app. It's called the UC app, which will be listed in your manual. It's also in a QR code on the side of the borescope itself. And what you do next is you download it. Actually, you download it, you plug it in, you screw in this on the top of your borescope here, and then unscrew the phone holder, and it clamps down just like so. Now, what we're going to do next is plug my cable into this, and we're going to follow the instructions on how to make this work. So it says B, press on the handle to power on for 2 seconds. It says that the app will automatically open on Android. Okay, so it's saying you open UC when the USB accessory is connected. Okay, and we are now seeing, let's see, the fingers are closed, zoom in pictures. So we have the camera here. I don't know how we all can see that, but we have a light as well. I'm getting y'all recording there. How about that? I can take pictures, record the video, change whether I want it in SD or HD. It shows you the temperature, which is really good, and then however many frames per second it's filming in. And of course you can move it around, up, down, left, right. Hopefully you are able to see this. We're going to get a better demonstration here in a second. We're going to dim it down with no light. Okay, that's great. And then what you could do, this button right here on this side takes pictures. So you can see I hit that button and it says saved successfully. You go in here and you can see your pictures. I don't have the rotation turned on and off, but there's all your pictures that you've taken. So really neat. Again, we'll have better visibility once I get out here. I'm going to demonstrate this to y'all on a machine here in just a second. Again, it comes with a carrying case. You download the app, hook it up to your phone, and it's honestly that easy. So let's go inside of an engine bay of a small engine and see what we can see inside it. Alright guys, I'm going to try and show y'all this. We're going to put this inside of this engine here. So stay with me. We're going to insert it inside. Again, I have the light on right now. And what we're gonna do, get y'all down here a little bit. What we're gonna do is just insert it inside the hole here. It does come with a cleaning cloth if you need a cleaning cloth for this. So this engine is basically toast. If you can look up there for the cylinder, let me see if I can pull the cylinder back a little bit. You can kind of see with this camera up on the top here, there's a decent amount of scoring that I can see with the camera, and I can see this without having to take the head off, which is excellent. And then if we look down, kind of have to use two hands for it. So there's the valves that we're looking at. So you can kind of see that one of them isn't seating all the way or is partially open, and the other one's got a ton of oil around it. You see a bunch of metal down there as well. So just not a good situation for this. You can kind of see where the gasket is and kind of the in-between of the two. It just doesn't look very good in there. So again, this thing runs like absolute garbage. It smokes a lot. And we can even get inside the cylinder here and just look. You can even look down the cylinder wall right there and see how scored it is. I don't know how well that's picking up on camera, but you can see the vast amount of scoring on this. Oh, right there especially. Wow. I think y'all can see that pretty well. But that's some crazy stuff, y'all. So you can kind of go inside, and the maneuverability is really good. You can inspect a bunch of things. And we're inside the cylinder. This is a flathead Tecumseh engine on a lawnmower. You can look at the valves. Again, that valve looks to be in decent shape, but it is open a little bit. Maybe because of that it's on the that stroke. And let's see, that is going to be the intake valve on the bottom. I believe that's the bottom down there. Yes. So you can see a bunch of oil and stuff on it. So that's really cool. Again, if it's too bright in there, what you can do, let's see, is dim it down a little bit. You can see it dims and then goes completely off. So you probably want the light. Again, it has a charging port so that you can charge it as well. Really, really neat device. The app functionality works really well on it also. And even shoving it up into that oily cylinder, we have really good visibility still, as you can see on the outside here as well. And so really neat. Like I said, camera works excellent. The little joystick is all manual, cable operated, and it works just fine. So really good product. We'll wrap this video next. So again, guys, this is a really good Borescope machine. We need to look inside the cat's ears. I think we could try and do that as well. We're not going to do that on camera, but hey, it's really works excellent. Visibility is great. You provide the phone, and this machine does the rest. So again, carrying case, it should have all the cables that you need. It has an internal battery, so you can charge it up so that you have the light function, and I believe that's how it works with the phone as well, because the phone did start, I believe the phone did start charging when yeah, so the phone's actually actively charging while I've got it on right here too. So, but yep, there's the app, and there's the camera, and y'all saw how well it worked, especially on that flathead engine. Hopefully it'll work good for you as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Really good product here, and I will catch y'all on the next product review. Y'all take care.